Azure Synapse data ingestion is the process of moving data from various sources into Azure Synapse Analytics for analysis and reporting. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's define what Azure Synapse Analytics is. It's a cloud-based enterprise data warehouse that allows you to integrate and analyze data from multiple sources. To ingest data into Azure Synapse, you need to connect to a data source, which can be a database, a file, or an application. The next step is to choose an ingestion method. Azure Synapse provides several options, including copy activity, data factory, and change data capture. The copy activity is a simple way to move data from a source to a destination, while data factory provides a more advanced way to transform and process data. Change data capture is used to capture changes made to data in a source system. Once you have chosen an ingestion method, you need to configure the connection to the data source. This includes providing credentials and specifying the data to be ingested. You can ingest data in various formats, including CSV, JSON, and Avro. Best practices for Azure Synapse data ingestion include scheduling ingestion tasks to run at regular intervals, monitoring data ingestion for errors, and optimizing data ingestion for performance. You should also consider data security and compliance when ingesting data into Azure Synapse. In terms of tools, Azure Synapse provides a range of tools to support data ingestion, including Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, and Azure Synapse Studio. These tools provide a user-friendly interface for configuring and monitoring data ingestion. To get started with Azure Synapse data ingestion, you need to create an Azure Synapse workspace and connect to a data source. You can then use the Azure Synapse Studio to configure and run data ingestion tasks. With the right tools and techniques, you can easily ingest data into Azure Synapse and start analyzing and reporting on your data. Key concepts to keep in mind when working with Azure Synapse data ingestion include data integration, data transformation, and data processing. By understanding these concepts and following best practices, you can ensure that your data ingestion process is efficient, secure, and scalable.